Back in the garage, workbench, workshop area is on point. Now, I gotta deal with this. My plan is to put this pegboard up on the wall. I got some strapping that I have to attach to my studs, and then I'll hang my pegboard. That'll give me room to get the clips in underneath. A lot of this stuff that's on the ground here is gonna end up on the pegboard wall. First thing I gotta do, clean it out. One of my favorite purchases ever, telescopic ladder. How cool is that? Present for my parents for their new pool. Shh. Pucks. Look at all these pucks. I have this really hard time throwing away cutoffs. I don't know why. Look at all these pieces. I always figure that I'm gonna burn them or make something else out of them. You guys like that? Those are Will's clubs. What I would like to build for Will is a little chipping area at the cottage, maybe this summer. I have something special to show you. The Youngapalooza Invitational Golf Trophy. Yearly golf tournament we had at a friend's cottage. And look at all those names. Hey, people, you might see your name on here. Not Dan, though. Maybe next year, Dan. It's gonna go up here on this cool little ledge I left. Better keep these for later just in case. Okay, strapping's up. I'm gonna take some measurements to figure out if I want to put my boards this way or this way. What's gonna be better? Just cut out the hole for the shelf. Thought I was recording, but I wasn't. I'll just fake it. Okay, I'm done. There's one thing here. Wow, look at that lighting. Oh, there's one thing here that I'm gonna be super cautious about. I want those holes to be perfectly straight. The bottom doesn't matter, the top doesn't matter, but those main holes right across here, these have to be lined up. Let's do it. Okay, last little piece is up. So smooth. Turned out great. Look at how nice it is. Let's cover it in stuff. Ran into one small problem. There was a plug here. So I've got my flashlight and I'm trying to look through and see where it is. I know it's around here somewhere. It's funny. This tool, the oscillating tool, it sits for sometimes years and I never use it. And then I get into a situation where I don't know how I'm gonna cut this out. And I'm like, Dremel, little saw, and then it always comes back to me that this tool is like the answer for everything. So let's cut this thing out. There it is, and there it goes. There's my plug back. I knew it was there somewhere on this massive wall. It takes a while to get the pegboard figured out and where you want things, but I'm telling you, pegboard in the garage, it's the way to go.